Good afternoon to all. This is Renu A. Kumar, lecturer in physics from Ramjas Public School, Delhi, and I am going to present my contribution to students' innovation. As an educator, I firmly believe that teaching is much more than using chalk and talk in the classroom, but it must include encouraging innovation in the students, which is important for them to achieve success in life. My experience during my MPhil in physics has been helping me a lot practicing this innovative approach in teaching. I am feeling privileged to share that I have been playing the role of a mentor, resource person, critic, giving constructive criticism for improvement, facilitator, facilitating teamwork and group discussion, and a trainer, encouraging open-ended questions and brainstorming sessions. Wants to share few success stories about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who was the former president and renowned educator inspiring students through his books and lectures. And the second personality is Dr. Kiran Bedi, education reformer and former IPS officer. These educators demonstrated the power of teaching to transform lives and communities around. And now a little contribution from my side as well. I have a total of 27 years of experience in teaching, and I'm very highly effective at planning, coordinating, and problem solving. I have been an organizer, coordinator, and advocate in promoting educational trips, science workshops, seminars, and new method of teaching, for example, gamification and storification, use of electronic tools, quiz, etc. I have been encouraging research projects and low-cost science experiments and projects at the school level and in the science exhibitions, workshop activities, exploring educational tour opportunities. I have been managed various science activities like exhibitions, quiz, educational tours, etc. The first one to start with a research project entitled Designing a Space Colony, disqualified 4 times during the year 2008 to 2019 for the Asian finals at Asia Region Space Settlement Competition, and one selected to send a direct entry to NASA as well. The second one is the national level achievement at the science exhibition organized by Directorate of Education Delhi, and I have been awarded 3 times at the national level. Second achievement is the state level achievement that came to my lab 5 times in the science exhibitions organized by Directorate of Education once again in the year 2001 to 2006. I had managed an educational tour to BrahMos Atomic Research Center, Mumbai, and Tarapur Atomic Power Station in October 2008 for the students of 9 to 12 standard. Another educational tour was to Narora Atomic Power Plant in 2005 for the students of 9 to 12 standard. A research project entitled An Innovative Technique for Energy Generation was selected for national level display by CBSE and NCERT in the year 2005, and the participating team was awarded with the certificates and the trophy. A research project on the measurement of SPF of sunscreen lotion, which proved to be an innovation for the cosmetic industry. Students won third prize in a competition on national level research project organized by DKIF, which is Dr. Kalam International Foundation, and this achievement occurred in the year 2024. Several other experiments and the theoretical research project in physics are being encouraged at the school level. For example, air purifier using used water filter, binding energy curve verification, etc. at the school level itself. And I received a Global Teachers Award in the year 2022 for accomplishing excellence in educational services in the field of education. To wind up, I would like to say that a teacher grows when her students achieve. Teachers' guidance and support can play an important role in shaping students' innovative ideas into practical approach and the outcomes which are useful to the society. Thank you.